Yes. Okay. Hello guys. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to show you the whole process of Kickstart. First of all, you have to create a host machine, then set your IP address. Before that, uh, you have to check your network interface. This is my host machine. Right click on it, settings. Then look at that. I'm using external switches. Okay. Then you have to uh, configure your network manager. Just click on it. Then you can see the IPv4. Click on it. Then select manual. Then write your IP address. Right. I was right. This IP address. This is my subnet mask and this is my gateway. Okay. Then apply. Then okay. After that, open the terminal. Open the terminal. Then set your host name. To set your host name, you have to write host name CTL, then add host name, set host name, then write your host name. As example, server 01.isa.com. Okay. Check your host name. Yes, server01.isa.com is my host name. Then minimize this window, then click on it, then settings, then attach your ISO file. Here you can see IDE controller. Click on it, then your image file, browse, and then select your image file. This is my image file. Open. Then click on apply. Okay. After clicking that, you will see this type of section. It describe that your ISO is mounted on your machine. Click on it, then copy all the files and folders. Then you have to make here a folder named RHEL8. I'm created this folder named RHEL8 so that doing Kickstart on RHEL 8.2 versions. Then open the folder and paste. I have already pasted those files. Then paste those file and folders into MNT. Okay. After copying all the files and folders, you have to open the terminal. Okay. Doing the easiest process, I have already created this process, created a text file. Okay. I I open it. Then this is our node file, and this is our machines. Okay, you have to configure yum server to yum server. First, you have to change this directory. Okay, cd yum etc yum.repos.t. Then you have to check repo. I have already created this repo file, so I'm going to open it. Vim local.repo. Then you will see a blank file here. Then write these types of commands. Don't please remember, do not make any mistake while you are writing these types of command. Okay. To edit this file, you have to press insert, then type this type of symbol. After finishing your input, then press escape, then clone, then press WQ, then I. Okay. Then you have to import RPM. To do that, change your directory to mnt, then write RPM import, then yes, this is my RPM, and hit the enter button. Okay. You can see here the process. Okay. Then install HTTP service. CD. I'm installing. First of all, we have to check our yum repository. Yum repo list all. Okay. You can see that two repository file is available. So we can install HTTPD services by using yum server. We can clear the screen. Then write yum install y, then HTTPD. Then hit the enter. I have already installed these services, so this type of message is showing. If you first install these services, you can see the whole process. Then permanent your HTTP service with firewall. Right. I'm skipping this process because I have to install more services. After completing the all installation process, then I will permanent all services accordingly. Okay. Then we can install cockpit services. I have already installed it. Sorry. Uh, Whenever you installed, you have to enable and start the services. To do that, you can write systemctl enable, then httpd. Okay. Then you can start your service. Then you can check your service status. Okay. Our httpd service is now running. Then we have to install cockpit services. To do that, clear our terminal, then write yum install y cockpit start. I have already installed it so that this type of message is showing. Okay, clear. Then you have to enable the services systemctl enable cockpit. Then you can start your service. Start. Then check the status. Yes, cockpit services is now activated. Okay. If you use Linux 9.1 version or higher version, you have to configure this file, disallowed user. You just put a hash sign before root. Okay. I'm using here 8.2 so that I have not configured. I have not configured this file. Okay. You can check your cockpit services by using your IP address. My IP address is my IP address is 0.200 and 9090. I can check my cockpit services, opening firewall. Then right here, https clone/192.168.0.200 is my machine IP, then clone, then write the port number 9090, hit the enter. You will see this type of warning. Don't worry about that. Just click on advanced, then scroll down. Sorry, click on advanced, then scroll down. Then use certificate. Advanced. Then here is the link for showing you. I decrease the zoom level. Just click on accept the risk and continue. Okay. Then put your root name, then password. Hit the enter button. After hitting the enter button, you will see the cockpit window. It seems like our cockpit service is running perfectly. Just close your browser and view 100%. Okay. Now you have to configure the DHCP server. To configure that, you have to write this type of command. yum install DHCP star. I'm already installed this service. So this type of message is showed. Before enabling DHCP services, we have to copy just cp user share doc DHCP server, then DHCP server, then DHCP dot com dot com dot sorry, DHCPT actually is example. Then write the location etc this location etc DHCP, then DHCP D dot conf con at conf. After hit the enter button, you will show you will have to yes to overwrite. I'm doing this process. I have did this process so that I don't need to do it again. But you have to put the command as it is. Then you have to write, you have to configure, or you have to edit your DHCP config file. To do that, just write vim etc DHCP / DHCP d.conf. Okay, hit the enter button. Then you can see this type of file. To edit this file, first press I to insert, then type your hostname here. My hostname is server01.isa.com, so that I type my hostname here and here. Please remember, remove all the entries after a space from here, and type your host name, then this semicolon, then write this semicolon. Okay, then declare your subnet declaration. My network ID is 192.168.0.0. Then my net mask is that. You can write your network ID and subnet mask, then write the range and the range limit. I have to write 150, then .200 is my range limit. Then write your gateway here as it is. Please write as it is. Don't mistake here. If you will did any mistake, then your DHCP server will not be activated. Okay, then press escape, clone WQ exclamatory sign, then hit enter. Okay, our DHCP configuration is now okay. So we can enable our DHCP service. systemctl enable DHCP-D. Okay. Systemctl enable DHCP CP-D. Okay. After clicking that, your DHCP service has been enabled. Then start your DHCP service. Then check your status. Look at that. Our DHCP service is running. This type of output you will see. Okay. Control C. I'm clearing my terminal. Then you can make Kickstart file from this link. I'm avoiding this process. I just created my own Kickstart file. To do that, first of all, we have to make a folder. Already I have made I already make a folder for showing you. I again write this command mkdir, then the location var /ftp/pub. Then you have to make the folder ks. I already make the folder so that I'm not hitting enter, but you have to hit the enter button. Okay. I'm just check this cd var ftp pub. Okay. Here I'm checking the folder. Yes, this folder is available here. Okay. Then you have to make a Kickstart file here. So you can change this folder. Then write bin, then write s.cfg, and then hit the enter button. I have already entry this necessary commands. You have to write here all of these commands. I'm just expanding this for you. Please take a screenshot or an image to write accurately. Please remember, whenever you write this section, put your IP address correctly. Put your IP address correctly. Okay. Here is my IP address is 0.200. Is your IP address is 0.10, then you have to write 0.10. Okay. Then write your IP address correctly here. Okay. Then after writing all of the commands, you have to escape. You have to press escape, then clone, then WQ, then I. Okay. Hit the enter. Now we have another task to do. Just click on it, then other location, then computer, then copy this folder to var FTP UB and paste here. You can do this by command line. I can show you. Just write CP. Sorry. Just write CP. CP R means recursive, then slash, then sorry, RHEL 8, then space, then your location, var, FTP, PUB. Okay. This is the command. Okay. Then hit the enter button. I have already copied it, so I'm not hitting the enter button, but you have to hit the enter button to make a copy of RHEL 8 folder. Okay. After successfully copying your file, then you have to change the permission of Kickstart file and RHEL 9 folder. Just write chmod, then R, then 777 denotes the read, write, and executive permission, var, then FTP, PUB, KS, then ks.cfg. After hitting enter, the permission has been changed. Then I will give the same permission to RHEL folder. RHEL folder, then hit the enter. Okay. Check the permission. To check the permission, you have to write ls l, then space, then your location, hit the enter. Yes, you can see that our all files and folders have read, write, and execute permissions. Okay. So after doing that, you have to change the directory to ks. Okay, I'm already in ks. See that pwd, sorry, pwd. Yes, here if you are in another directory, you have to change your location. To change your location, you can write cd var ftp pub ks. Okay. You can change your direction to ks. Then you have to use a ks validator file. Ks validator. You can see here ks validator, and hit the enter button and wait a while. You will see the yes or no permission window will appear in your terminal. You just press Y, then hit enter, then again you have to press Y and hit the enter button. After doing all of this process, you have to make a client machine. To make a client machine, we can open our Hyper-V manager, then click new virtual machine, new virtual machine, RHEL 8 kick, then host. Okay. Sorry, this will be client. Right? Client. You can use any name. I'm just using this name for identification. Identify this machine quickly. Okay, generation 1, select. Then 2048. That means 2 GB is my machine's memory. Then join it with external switches because our host machine is on external switches. Then next, then browse, select a location. RHEL Kick client is my storage location. Then this is the size of the storage. Next, then install operating system, image files, browse, and I'm using RHEL 8.2 because of my host machine is RHEL 8.2 versions. Okay, hit the enter, next, then finish. After you finishing all the task, just double click on it, then start. You can see this type of window. You just have to press tab. After pressing tab, you will see the command line. When you see the command line, press space, then write inst equal ftp clone / then write your IP address 192.168.0.200, then /, then write pub /ks.ks.cfg. This is my Kickstart file. And if you are using VMware workstation, you have to press E. You have to press E, not tab. Please press tab for Hyper-V. Okay. After write this command, hit enter. You can see our machine is now try to open. We have to press escape for disk checking. You can see this type of command. Now our machine is finding IP address from DHCP. We have to wait a while. I just you can see our network manager. Our installer is now open. Is now try to open. You can see that. Once you do all the process correctly, you have not touched you have not touched or you have not to do anything. It will automate your installation system perfectly. Okay, you can see that. Sorry. What's the problem? Seems like we have an unexpected problem. We have an unexpected problem. Okay, turn off your machine. Then click on it, RHEL Kick, and start. Then tab INST or FTP. One 192.168.0.200 pub/case/case.cfg. Hit the enter button.